Hello guys and welcome. I'm very happy to bring you something special. I spent the last 1 or even 2 months now polishing my trading, learning. I'm not really good at it yet, but I'm learning every single day. And what helped me a lot is to find some decent indicators, and that's what I want to bring to you today. Indicators that will obviously up your game and also allow you to, let's say, get on that next step of the ladder of learning, how to trade. Because I urge you guys, in these tough times, we have, a lot of companies going bust, like FTX and all that stuff. So you have to be really careful with your money, but also sometimes you never know from which side they're gonna hit you. And when you keep money there, obviously it can get lost and it's gonna be very hard to retrieve that. So obviously with trading, you control your money, but you also have to use some exchanges like Bybit or Forex traders, so you can still have a problem. So all I'm saying is not only learn to trade yourself so you can make money no matter what the market conditions, but also diversify your portfolio into different obviously platforms, and hopefully you'll get through it. We'll get through it to the bull market. But what I want to bring you is called LuxAlgo. These are the algorithms here. That this is probably like the biggest algorithm company in the market. They are paid, so I know what you're thinking. You want me to pay for something again. They are paid actually like 67 per month, but you can get a 30-day trial on them, so you don't have to pay anything. 30-day money back guarantee. I've seen somewhere as well, risk-free. So if you don't like it, you can always ask for a refund. And why am I bringing them to you? Because you will say, obviously, you want us to pay again. I'm bringing them to you because they are really powerful, really advanced. You've got the premium one, the price action, and the oscillators premium. So you've got 3 of them in TradingView, so you don't need to pay for TradingView. The free account supports up to 3 of them, and you can obviously install them very easy. You just go to indicators, search for them, LuxAlgo. Obviously you have to buy them first. They have some free ones as well. As you can see, they've got tons of free ones, so you can even go just open account in TradingView. I'll put the link below, and maybe just type LuxAlgo and try the other ones. Just play around, click on them. When you click on it, it will jump into your chart here. You can change the chart. I've got gold now. You can change to Bitcoin, to whatever, or if you add it to your watch list. But I don't want to confuse you. I just want to quickly show you how good are they and how I set up mine, and what you need to do with that. So obviously when you add them in your chart, I will just close this one. Which one was the new one? Okay, hopefully this one. Yeah, so when you add them, let me just show you how I configured mine. I put mine to none, this one, and then let me just remove that. Oh yeah, it's removed now. So I have all these settings like that. This one's here, so you can copy if you want. On top of it, you've got this autopilot here as well. You can see that here. This is like a nice table with current situation of the instrument. So let's say its market is mostly bearish, and you can switch off that autopilot, and in here it will jump to your setting, your recommended setting, and then you can change here as well if you want to. What that does is it changes those buttons. Can you see that here? Moves them around to be more sensitive or less. So I put my on autopilot for now. Sometimes I change it, but I'm just want to show you the most simple way. So this one's done, and the price action concepts, really cool stuff, where they show you change of character, change of structure, break of structure, and it's also very important to make decisions. So first thing first, if you want to really do it the simplest way, obviously you're going to follow the signals. This one, buy, sell, strong buy, strong sell. There are 4 of them. but later after that you also add to your arsenal hopefully some other things like trading zones, so you can decide, as you can see, it bounced off the zone here. These are on the way there, later you can learn them, but what I'm saying, it can take your trading to sort of a manual trade, and I will show you. Let's say buy here. Why did it set to buy here? Because there was change of character. The price action was quite strong, and obviously it gave the signal to push higher, and you could enter somewhere around here, let's say, if you catch that signal, or maybe on the next bar. And the big thing about it is also the thing that is called repainting. So usually, not usually, but a lot of indicators will repaint, which means they can change those signals afterwards. In this case, I was already testing it for a couple weeks. When this bar, let's say, is running right now, this signal appeared, and then it can disappear if recommendation changes. But once it jumps to the next one, it will stay here. It will not repaint it. Even if it's wrong, it will just keep going. Like you see here, this one shown sell, but then the charts went back in the wrong direction, and it stayed like that because obviously it's already jumped to the next one, and it recommended a sell position, which wasn't the best idea, but in the end turned out obviously good. So we've got these settings for the premium, we've got settings for the price action concept. I just changed the colors of patterns, this yellow here, switch some stuff off. You can switch the fair value gaps, it's those boxes here. For now they are important in general, but this later down the line, let's say, when you, like I said, you can simply switch off as many as possible, leave only a couple, and then with time add some more. Check what everything does. You just add it, wait a little bit, then you see something change here. Check if you need it, if you like it, if it helps you with trading, leave it. If not, if it clutters the chart, just get rid of it. And down here on the bottom we've got the third one, which is oscillators, which also gives you like a nice confirmation. As you can see, I chose RSI, you've got MACD, you've got stochastic, some advanced one, it's like combined, I think, and the pivot points as well. So you can change, I had a pivot for a while, but I changed now. I want to learn, like, nail the RSI, so you've got even greater confirmation here as well. When it changed direction, you see the lines crossed, then again here, and then it went back, as you can see. So that's all combined. You can not only use the indicators here, sell, buy, but also start aiding yourself with some extras like RSI, like volume here. Obviously important to have a good volume for big moves. So let's go ahead and test it out on gold and some other ones. I will just show you quickly. One, gold, I'm mostly like sitting in gold, but I might jump to something else like the Forex, like Euro USD, and I'll show you gold and Bitcoin. So what you're gonna do with any pair like that, whichever you like, maybe you prefer crypto, literally you go, let's say I'm usually trading like swing, like quick trades. So either you're on 15-minute chart or you're on 5-minute chart. You just simply check what's going on, how much it changed, and which ones gave us positive signs. So how it works is they usually give you like an X when it's time to leave the position. As you can see here, this one sell and this one is X to exit, buy, going, X to exit. Sometimes it doesn't, so as you can see with this one it didn't. So the other indicator would be if there is a signal in the opposite way. So let's say this one goes down, it should honestly give you a signal to exit here, and goes up. So as you might already imagine, in this case, let's say you didn't want to enter here, you entered on the next one when this one closed, and then we are going in the wrong direction, good direction, wrong, but it still didn't go into like a big loss, let's say, and then it went down into profit. And you have to just basically base that on experience. Let's say you have this break of structure here. If it went, you know, really nicely down, maybe move your stop loss somewhere here. If you move it and it comes back up, it's gonna close the trade here and you are safe, because if it would be going still down, you could just move that stop loss. If it comes back, it just hits that and you make decent profit, but you don't have to wait until it gets here. So you know, open position here, set stop loss higher. So it would be something like, you know, we wait for this one to finish and we open position here. Even if you open a little bit higher, let's say around here, and then stop loss, you know, maybe somewhere around the swing, somewhere here, goes down, goes up, didn't hit stop loss, goes down. When it moves like that here, you move that stop loss here, maybe later here, somewhere around this area, and then it comes back and it hits stop loss here, and you are in a nice, you should be in a nice profit. Hopefully, you know, depends how you open that position, but at least you didn't lose. But this was one of the worst signals, let's call it. This was one of the worst signals. Let's say in this case you would end up with a nice gain. Again, you would move the stop loss, watch the trade, and it will hit stop loss when it's coming down, and that's it. Some cases like this one here, as you can see, so let's say we didn't enter here, but we did enter here, and it's showing us to exit. So you made 0.38% with that. Yeah, that would be a decent gain. Depends on your lot size, obviously, but it would make you a nice amount. This one sell here as well. Maybe wait for this one to finish, and you say, let's say you want to enter on this one. Again, 0.25%, very decent one. This one here, as you can see, would not be a successful one. This one here, sell as well, is not perfect. So you can obviously, like I said, try with on the premium one with the sensitivity. Look at the signals change. Okay, so this one now is a bit earlier. Let's say we put 11. Okay, let's increase that to like 15. So as you can see, some of them disappear, and it's all like based on a little bit of experience, of backtesting, of seeing what's going on. But as you can see, some of them are really good, some of them are not so good. The idea is, if you end up even with 60% winning trades and they give you like a decent reward, and the losing ones, let's say in here, they turn around, but you still didn't lose that much money, and you could gain nice amount when turns the other way around. So this is it, guys. You can use obviously Forex broker. I'm using Vantage to enter positions. You simply would go here or market here, quickly open short position, quickly open buy position whenever you see this the signal strong. This is for Forex. So let's say you go for gold. I've got gold here, and the same thing, buying and sell. And for crypto, let me just quickly show you crypto. So let's say Bitcoin or whatever. Let's go for Bitcoin. I've seen actually Avalanche had really decent signals. As you can see, buy, sell, wasn't that bad, but market is very choppy. So just make sure you are careful. But let me show you Bitcoin quickly. What would happen here on Bitcoin? Yeah, we are on Bybit. You can choose Bybit as well. So yeah, as you can see with Bitcoin, it's quite choppy. So let's move to 15-minute. That might be a better indicator. So again, you have to just jump between them. 15-minute, obviously higher time frame would give you a stronger signal. So as you can see, this one here would be very nice, even showing perfect place to leave. This one here would also be quite interesting. This one is not good here. That's why maybe wait for the next candle. Make sure, because the wicks are very strong. This one will be nice, but as you can see, there is a lot of mess in here as well with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin you would obviously use on Bybit or Binance or any exchange with crypto. And as well, just all I'm saying, guys, I'm doing that for the last 2 months. Let's say heavily, I'm testing these indicators for about a month. now, and I really like them, but I don't say to trust them 100%, but at least you're on your way to learning something. What happens here? Why did it go this way? Why did it show this and didn't show it properly? You can learn the structure of the trades, what to do better next time. Open demo account, start slow, some paper account, which means you trade with demo money. On Bybit I think you can as well. If not, you can also in the TradingView, you've got the trading panel, and you can do paper trading here, as you can see on TradingView. So literally, if you see, let's say, a signal, just to have a quickly a try, you can literally click on here, and as you can see here, sell 1 BTC. Let's say when you see a signal, let's say sell, you can click on this little plus, sell it. You've got take profit, you've got stop losses, everything here. I'm not gonna cover that in other video, and it will open a trade, and you can literally start learning how this works, how it would look like. And as you can see, it would look the same in your real broker with your real money or demo money on the broker, but you can do it much quicker, let's say in a minute on TradingView. And I urge you guys to give it a try. Even that LuxAlgo, obviously it's paid, but you can try the trial. Let's say if they don't, you can always ask for money back if you don't like it. Give it a try for a week or so if you have time. If you think you can spend time on it, and you will see after a week if you were consistent, if you had the results on the demo account. Don't play with real money yet, guys. This is a learning curve, but you can learn trading and stuff like that for the rest of your life. And this is the best advice I can give you. I will be covering obviously DeFi, crypto, other stuff as well, but in this harsh times, that's the best advice I can give you, to start learning this. Don't lose money and start earning some money, hopefully in the long run, and test the signals, see how they go, see what this stuff is doing, and hopefully you can make some money. So thank you guys for watching.